Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be putting some makeup on an already built structure. A friend of mine got this AMB kit of the AC Brown Manufacturing Company, and he built it, but he wanted me to do the weathering and put some signs on it. This is the kit as he finished it, and he did a good job putting it together. First, I wanted to add a couple details. I noticed there was a space on the back for a hoist for the second floor door, so I put one together out of some parts I had. I also wanted to add a few rooftop details, so I got together a couple pieces from my scrap box, and I made them so I could mount them on the roof. I then painted these pieces. The straight pipe is going to be a plumbing vent pipe. Now this vent, I started to rust it. Then I started using pigments to weather the rooftop. Then I added some more rust to the hoist that was going on the back of the building. And I put a chain on it. And then this is what it looks like once in place. Now I collected some signs that I had, and I printed out some others. This was going to be a company store. So the metal signs, I started rusting them, and I had some that were going to be mounted inside the front windows. So I used a matte medium to attach those. Then I gave my friend a choice of which sign he wanted mounted on the building. And once he had picked one, I went ahead and mounted the company store sign and all of the other advertising signs on the building. Then I started to use my artist pigments to weather the building. Since this was going to be near a coal mine, it was going to be pretty grungy. And I like using artist pigments for weathering. Both those and stains can give you incredible effects. Once I had the building and signs weathered, I started to use gallery glass to apply tar around all of the pieces on the rooftop for weatherproofing. And this is how the building came out. Now this process only took me a couple of days. Of course, the building was already built. And now the company store is ready to be put in the company town. I want to thank you for watching and hope you come back to see more.